Hydrogen follows the Duet rule because its only electron shell is the first shell, which has one orbital that can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. So hydrogen gains, shares, or loses 1 electron to achieve a full first shell of 2 electrons. Think of an atom like a tiny house with rooms for electrons. Hydrogen has only 1 room in its first house, and that room can hold 2 people at most. So hydrogen wants 2 electrons to feel stable. Other atoms have bigger houses with more rooms and can hold more electrons. But hydrogen's house is just the one small room. When hydrogen bonds with another atom, they often share electrons, so both partners can fill their rooms. For example, in a hydrogen molecule, 2 hydrogens share to give each 2 electrons. If hydrogen loses its 1 electron, it becomes a positively charged ion with an empty room, which is also a common way for it to be stable. A common mistake is thinking hydrogen follows the octet rule like carbon because many examples show atoms trying to get 8 electrons. But hydrogen is special because it only has the first shell. Remember that octet applies to larger atoms, not hydrogen. Another misconception is picturing electrons as fixed balls rather than fuzzy clouds and orbitals. This can make the idea of a single orbital holding 2 electrons confusing. So imagine the orbital as a small room that 2 electrons can share comfortably. Some students also assume hydrogen cannot form more than 1 bond, but hydrogen typically makes 1 bond because it only needs 1 more electron to complete the duet, so do not force it into having more. For more videos and resources on this topic, check out www.gumballdegree.com.